And just piggyback off of that. Is that what we're supposed to say? Piggybacking off of them too.
Hi, Daniel.
Hey, how's it going?
Isabel's here.
Hey. Isabel here.
What's up? You ready for some sauce? Daily sauce is some insight on if you are saying, you know, I want to go full-time with my passion. I want to go full-time with my business. I'm working full-time at my job. How do I make it happen? So some things that we're going to actually share with you. And the first thing that I want to share is don't just quit your job, right? That's income coming in. Don't do what we did to start our business. We actually left our jobs, but I wouldn't do that. I would actually focus on, you have a full-time job, but work full-time on your passion as well, right? Part-time hours, but full-time focus, full-time energy, full-time investing in yourself as a business owner, investing in your time, energy into your business part-time while you work full-time until that literally overexceeds, and then you could walk away from your job. But I just wouldn't plainly leave your job and say, I'm ready to go start a business, because it's not going to happen overnight, but it will happen one night. And so that's the daily sauce I got for you.
Isabel.
Yes. So when it comes to making your full-time job work so you can eventually start your full-time passion, the number one thing that you should do right now is to bring value into your full-time job. So whether you're a business coach, a life coach, an executive coach, a business owner, right? Bring value into your full-time job right now that could probably increase your pay in that one, make you feel like you're living both worlds at the same time, and eventually just hone your craft. And eventually that person that you're employed by that has a full-time job will eventually be like, dang, you're incredible. You're like the best business coach ever. You are a life coach. You are this, you are that. Make so much use of your time. Do not take your full-time job for granted. You're there for a reason. Everything has its divine timing. So don't put so much pressure on yourself to just like let go of something that you currently have. Squeeze it. Squeeze the moment.
Daniel, anything to add on?
Nope, I completely agree. I'd also, argue that there's no reward without risk, right? So, staying committed to that full-time job is important, but it's also important to invest in yourself and get ready to take yourself to the next level, by taking a risk, investing in yourself.
Yeah, absolutely. And just piggyback off of that. Is that what we're supposed to say? Piggybacking off of them too. Yeah, I remember I was working as a bartender, server in a network marketing company. I was consistently showing up to those, right, earning the money, but my mindset was like, okay, what am I doing to invest? What am I doing right now, temporary, and utilizing that time? Because in my heart, I knew I was gonna own a big business, right? So I was still doing those things, but investing in the growth of myself and doing the activity to then prepare for where we are today. And so start with investing in yourself. Invest the time and energy in your business. It's not going to work if you make excuses and say, well, I don't have the time to do it, right? We all have the same 24 hours in a day. Make it happen. Stay focused and disciplined. And if you really want it, eventually you can walk away from that job and go full-time in your passion, in your dream, in your business. So we're excited for you. We believe in you. Make it happen and make those investments now so you can actually live the life that you want to tomorrow. Subscribe! You can do it! We're going to be putting out a lot of content for you, for your business, for your life. We're going to be traveling. We're going to show you inside scoop. See ya.